If you've ever struggled with replacing watch straps, don't worry, changing your Galaxy Watch 8 band is way easier than you think. If you want to attach the bands right after unboxing, first decide which side of the strap goes in your direction. So if you prefer wearing it on your left wrist, attach the shorter band on the 12 o'clock position so the watch buttons are on the right hand side. You're wearing it on your right hand wrist, so do the opposite. Earlier Galaxy Watches had pins on both sides, which made the process a little bit more complicated. Never mind. But now Galaxy Watch 8 is here. It has just one pin and simply hold the watch head upside down, locate the opening, gently press the pin towards it, and in a moment it will attach with a click. Follow the same process to attach the other side as well, and you can wiggle the strap to make sure it's attached properly. To remove the bands, hold the watch down face and simply press these buttons to release the strap easily. Before replacing the straps, don't forget to check the compatible strap size near these buttons. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.